What if you could earn money, free PayPal money, by just swiping up and down and left and right from your lock screen? No, that's no BS. So if you want to learn how, grab a cup of coffee, a nice one, just like I did, homemade 20-cent coffee, because no coffee, no working, and then make sure you watch this video all the way until the end to learn what the website is, how it works, how they get paid, how to actually set it up. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And me and my team have 2 video editors. We upload over 3 videos every single day for your value. And the idea is, we've seen a lot of BS videos online. You probably did see them too, right? 20, 30-minute videos, and you don't even understand what's going on. And our strategy is to compress those videos into 2 or 3-minute video files for you to get the gist of the strategy and decide for yourself whether or not you want to use it. So if you appreciate that, subscribe and also like the video, because it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. And also comment down below what country are you watching these videos from, because I'm really curious. And I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, something funny, or your Instagram username, TikTok or YouTube account down below. Just take it. I'll put it in the shout out jar because you're awesome, and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, check this website out. You can swipe left to get more info about the card. You can swipe up to see another card. You can swipe right to go to your home screen. And you'll be basically watching ads and earning some free PayPal money, as I said. The cool thing about this website is you can cash out with PayPal, or if you're feeling generous, you can even donate it. There's different charities at the bottom, and they're featured in the Wall Street Journal, CNBC, Fox, Today, Business Insider, and a lot of websites. You can see this app. It's available on the Google Play Store. If you don't have an Android device, you can just use your computer and install Memo or Nox, an Android emulator, and Slide Jolly Lock Screen Cash Rewards. This is how it's called. It says here, the interesting thing about it is that it has over 100,000 users that gave feedback. The average feedback is 3.7. It's an app that was updated on November 6th. The day that I'm recording this video is on the November 6th. They have their company website, they have their company address down below, and also something interesting is that earnings are updated daily the next day. So you don't have to wait for a long time to just get paid on your phone. And you basically have this intelligent lock screen that you get paid with by just swiping up, left, down, get deals and content tailored to your preference. And then how it works, slide right to access your home screen, slide left to engage with content, swipe up, always stay updating with our trending feed right on your lock screen, swipe down, react with lighting, speed, notifications and shortcuts to your favorite apps. So this is the website. Hope you like it. If you like the video, if it helped you out, if you appreciate it, make sure you give it a like. It really helps us out, as I said. Remember that a video that gives a doctorate by the end of this video. Remember, this is not financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence, yada yada yada. By the end of this video, check this video out. See you in the next one. Bye.